All right, let's turn the music.
Yeah, just hit the power button.
Flagged on YouTube. All right, we're back here with Uncle Steve's 1981 CB650. If you follow the channel, we've had quite a few things happen along the way, but we feel we have it. We did the carburetor butterfly settings again, and we've got them spot on this time. And here's our first attempt to see how she does. She was idling kind of high and a little poppy before, so we hope we've got that solved. So here we go. The honors is to you. All right, ready. Come on, baby. Should be enough. Yeah, should be enough. Don't flood it. So you're right toward the end. Everybody's good, right? Kill switch is on. Just let her start. Yeah, let her start. Which is good.
No, that's fine.
Island low right now.
I don't mind holding the throttle on.
Let me bring it up a little bit.
I'm gonna let it go. That's good. That's 1600. We'll get a. That's okay. I still have the throttle on.
Let it warm up a little bit. Warm up. Come on, baby. All good.
I got the show all both on.
All right. Done.
Joke's off.
Let it warm up now. Let it warm up. Let it warm up.
What I used to do was keep the choke on until it settles down.
Right.
I've got the choke all the way on.
Right, right. Sounds good. Sounds good. Smoky.
Okay, come on down a little more. Just go over to right there. All right. Yes.
Oh man.
That's it.
All right, we tried again.
Success.
Seems to be successful. Oh, beautiful thing.
Oh, we'll do that. Perfect.
Yeah, we had the butterflies opening just a little too much with zero idle set, so we had to reset the synchronization screws just to make sure the butterflies were all the way shut. And that was our nemesis. So I think we're good. Oh my goodness. Let's walk around.
What we want, come down on your own, baby.
Hit your horn. Now you got a new horn? Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Yeah, originally we had a fuel leak coming from the little T. There's little T metal fuel lines, and the O-rings were just worn out, so we rebuilt the carburetors completely, and then we tried to reinstall them and fire it up, and it was, the butterflies were open just a tad too much, and it was causing it to not want to idle low, and that seemed to have been it. Replaced the intake boots on the car, replaced the clamps. Found some good OEM style on eBay. We've got other videos about this bike on other little tips and tricks that we discovered since we're newbies on this model. That's purring right there. That is purring. So check out our other videos about this bike. Seems to be doing all right.